Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make home salad dressing. You'll begin by combining 3 parts oil with 1 part vinegar. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, along with any desired herbs. Then, whisk vigorously until the mixture is smooth and creamy. This simple base is perfect for many salads and is incredibly versatile. Once you have the basic vinaigrette, it's easy to customize. Try adding fresh herbs such as chives or basil for a vibrant taste. A small amount of Dijon mustard can help with emulsification and add a tangy kick. For a touch of sweetness, a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup works wonderfully, transforming your dressing. For a richer, creamier dressing, start with a base of Greek yogurt or mayonnaise. You can thin it to your desired consistency with a splash of milk or water. Incorporate seasonings like garlic powder, onion powder, and a squeeze of lemon juice for a bright, savory flavor. This creates a delightful alternative to vinaigrettes. Proper storage keeps your homemade dressings fresh. Always store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Most vinaigrettes will last for up to 5 days, while creamy dressings are best consumed within 3 to 4 days. Remember to give them a good shake before serving to re-emulsify the ingredients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.